Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product to show you by GrubTerra. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, I have a product here by GrubTerra. They did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me one of your products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So basically they got a hold of me. They asked if I'd be willing to show you guys their coop refresher. And I have actually received this before. They sent me both of the different scents. I absolutely love them. I'm not sure which scent they sent me this time. I'm gonna show you. And then we're gonna go refresh the coop because they definitely could use it. So the scent that they sent to me is Rosemary Thyme, which is amazing. Again, they have two different scents. When you sprinkle it just in the coop, it kind of refreshes the bedding, refreshes everything. It smells so good. And for days and days and days, I get this really nice, strong scent. And after a few days, you could still smell it, obviously, but it's not so strong. But this stuff just smells super, super good. Now, it is the GrubTerra Chicken Coop Refresher. It has a slow release technology and it's made in the United States. There's 4 different packs in here. You just use one, and it says it's a 15-week supply. Everything's all natural, made in the United States. It says that it ensures effectiveness even in rainy weather. Its unique slow technology mechanism delivers extended herby freshness, which is completely safe for chickens and their owners. And again, it just smells so, so good. GrubTerra is the grubs that I actually buy for them. The black soldier fly larvae, they absolutely love them. I do have a code from them. I've had it for several years. It's SheCrafty, and that would save you 10% off of any of their products. They're coming out with more and more stuff, and it's so cool because when I first started buying just the grubs, that's basically all that they had was just the grubs. And I absolutely love them. I love what they do, what they represent, all of the different things with the trash being out of the landfills and everything. So I really, really love getting their grubs. And then throughout the years, I've been seeing them coming out with new products, and this is one of them, and I'm so excited to show this to you. So it comes down in this bag right here, and it says 100% natural and safe. It's scent effective up to 5 weeks. So one pack goes up to 5 weeks. Once a week, I always go through and do like my refresh, and I put my first Saturday lime, my herbs, my nesting herbs, all of that. And this right here, I put once a month. Like once a month, I'll go and just sprinkle it around inside the coop, and it just smells phenomenal. So again, it comes in this bag. It has a resealable bag too, so you can keep them fresh. And then here is the package. Again, there's 4 of them down in here. So here's 3 more. Oh my God, it just smells like fresh herbs already. Like, smells like oregano, mint. Oh my gosh, it just smells so good. So that's all it is. And I just cut like a little tiny hole just to get a little bit and just sprinkle it throughout the coop, in the bedding, like just through the whole entire coop. My coop is really small. If you have a bigger one, you might need to use more, but I have a small coop and one just works perfectly for me. So let's go ahead and go out to the coop and put this in there and refresh the girls' area. Chickies. They have all these little things down that they stand on. Of course, they get them all dirty, but when it's literally 100 degrees, they need something cool to cool them off. This was not a treat for you, Bubba. I'm so sorry. Let's go ahead and refresh inside of here. Ooh, there's one egg. So that's what I was saying, how I just peel like one corner and then I just sprinkle. She already wants to know what I'm doing. Nosy Java, nosy. So I'll do inside of the nesting boxes. And then in here, let me remove the fan. They're all done laying for the day. It smells so good already, you guys. Like, I really wish there was smell vision because this smells so good. Yeah, tell them. Okay. So down inside of the main area, I just sprinkle. And literally that is it. And I don't have to do anything for at least a month to a month and a half. I do give them more nesting herbs inside of the boxes, but as far as like smell or smell prevention, they have me covered. She's molting and she's losing some feathers on her neck. Can you say hi? Yeah? Say thanks, GrubTerra, for making my coop smell good. Yeah, say thank you. Thank you. And then here is my new bag. I used to get them in 5 pounds when it was just the girls, but now that I actually have little girls too, I get the 10 pound because both areas absolutely love these. So this is the 10 pound bag and how it comes. And you can clearly see inside everything. And yeah, these are their favorite. I always pour it into a container like this because it's easy just to pour it out and not have to deal with like a Ziploc bag. And then I just refill it as I go. But let's go ahead, and give them some. Yeah. I also fill up those little shaker balls with them, and they have little yellow pecking balls I fill up with these as well. Keeps them occupied throughout the day. Hi, Carm. Hi, baby. You hot? I'm gonna go get your things to stand on. I see it's almost 110. Yeah. Yeah. This is the pecking ball. Close them up. And then they come out of those holes as they peck them and roll them around. All right, you guys, so that is how quick and easy it is just to sprinkle it in there. You just get to smell the amazing smell. The girls get the benefits of smelling a really nice coop while they're in there laying too. So I just really, really love this. Again, it just smells so good, so refreshing. Just, it keeps it nice and fresh. So I love them. Again, you can go ahead and check them out. I will list them down below. You can go check out all of the products that they have. For the animals, you can use my code SheCrafty to save 10% off if you are interested. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.